If you're experiencing issues with Minecraft's graphics settings, follow these simple steps to adjust and optimize them for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Open Minecraft Launcher. Launch the Minecraft game using the Minecraft Launcher. Ensure you are logged into your account and select the version of the game you want to play. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once in the game, click on Options from the main menu. This will take you to the settings where you can adjust various game parameters. Step 3. Navigate to Video Settings. In the Options menu, select Video Settings. Here, you will find a range of graphics options that you can customize to improve performance or visual quality. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Look for the graphics option and choose between fast and fancy. You can also modify settings like render distance, smooth lighting, and clouds to suit your preferences and improve performance. Step 5. Save and restart. After making your adjustments, click Done to save your settings. It is a good idea to restart the game to ensure that all changes take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix and optimize your Minecraft graphics settings for an enhanced gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.